Welcome to Lesson 15B, URL Routing in MVC. URL routing gives your application the ability to handle request URLs that do not map directly to specific files. As you learned in Lesson 8B, URL routing is a critical component of any ASP.NET MVC application. ASP.NET MVC uses the map route method of the route collection class to define new routes. The map route method can include the following parameters. The name, this is a string representing the name of the route and is required. The URL, this is a string that contains the URL pattern for the route and is also required. Defaults, this is an object containing the default values for the route. Constraints, this is an object containing the constraints for the route. And finally, namespaces. This is a string array of the namespaces for the application. In this lesson, you add a custom route and create a new action method to consume the parameters that are returned from the new route. There are no lesson requirements. To get started with this lesson, select New Project, ASP.NET MVC2 Web Application, and enter Lesson 15B for the name of the application. Finally, click the OK button. Open the global.asax.cs page to add a new route. Our new route has a name, a URL, a default value, and some constraints. This is the route archive, month, and year. This is the default route, which calls the home controller, the archive method of the home controller, with a value of 1 for the month and the current year for the year. And these are the constraints. The month must be a 1 or 2 digit number, and the year must be a 4-digit number. Now we need to add the archive action method to the home controller. And all it does is it reads the month and the year and returns those values. Click F5 to start the application. And then navigate to the archive/10/2010 page. And there you have it. You've requested the archive for 10/2010.